Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Welcome to an update on PEPE. We're back again. I haven't covered it in a couple of days, I believe, but I mean, you know me, and this is also a reason why you're subscribed or not. If you're not, welcome. But I cover PEPE quite often, and that's also what we'll do in this video. We'll do a full overview of the technical situation for PEPE right now, and we'll talk about what's possible. We have been relatively weak over the last couple of days. Basically since Saturday. As you all know, usually the Thursday, Friday, Saturdays are quite bullish for PEPE, except for this little crash, which was throughout the entire market. But apart from that, we were relatively bullish. And then Sunday is usually a bit bearish. But now what we've also seen is bearish momentum from Bitcoin, which has also affected PEPE. So we'll talk about what that means. Does that actually mean that we will continue to be bearish, or can we expect to be bullish soon? But before we dive into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, I'm a full-time profitable trader, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. And there you can find out more and also how to join. I mean, you don't have to join, of course, but if it's something you're interested in, I would definitely recommend you to check that out, becoming a profitable and a better trader. But all right, now onto PEPE. So what we're seeing in terms of circumstances around PEPE, and with that I mean volume, is that the volume has gone up a bit. It's around 100 million, which is pretty low compared to the last 7 days. No, that's actually not true. I mean, it's not that low. It's a little bit low, but it's like we have gone up quite a bit since Sunday, actually, not necessarily also over the last 24 hours, but also since Sunday. So yeah, right now the situation for PEPE is just as following, and this has been the situation for quite a while now. And I've also told you this before. I think we are consolidating now, right? So we had beautiful waves up right here initially. And perhaps we had also started with some sort of a new impulse wave right here, but that got destroyed by the bearish momentum from Bitcoin. And I think that really blasted us back into a consolidation. So given that we are in a consolidation, then you would say that the bottom is coming up around 15,000. So we can expect PEPE to be bullish. And I do think so. I do think we will be able to drop down to 15,000 and find support there, and get back up to at least like 16,500. The thing I am worried about though is, first of all, I think this initial move from PEPE during the initial bull run, the 21st of January, I think this was a little bit of an overreaction. Like PEPE rallied from this bottom to this top, almost rallied 100%. There's almost no crypto that did that. And PEPE is obviously a little bit more of a high risk, high reward coin, but still it seems like there perhaps was a bit of manipulation there in the price. And then apart from that, I haven't seen Bitcoin this weak for a very, very long time. Like usually when we hit these levels, we instantly get back up. Like that's what we have always done historically. And now what happened is that, first of all, it was on a Monday. Bearish Mondays are never great because that could be a sign of what's to come for the rest of the week. And second of all, right now we're also respecting 30,300 too much as a resistance. So there's actually more bearish momentum, leading me to believe that there's actually, even though I expect 15,000 to hold initially, I think there's a higher chance, and I want you to be prepared for that we will have a bearish breakout through 15,000. And if that happens, all of a sudden you're down at 13,000 and 12,500 and you're in a downtrend. And I actually do think it's quite likely that we'll get something in the next week. So yes, I do still expect us to hold 15,000 initially and get bullish momentum from that. But I am very much monitoring PEPE a lot for a move like this. And I am kind of scared that it could happen pretty soon, given the market circumstances, but also given the movement of PEPE, which also hasn't been that great for the last couple of days. So yeah, but that's my take on PEPE for now. Like I said, I'll keep you updated. I'll monitor it closely, but for now, that's my take. So thank you for watching. Have a great Tuesday today, and bye.